Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious steak on the stove, step by step. First, select a quality cut like a ribeye or New York strip, ideally around 1.5 inches thick. Season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Then, allow your steak to rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps ensure even cooking and a beautiful crust. Now let's get that incredible sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side, aiming for a rich, deep brown crust. This initial high heat locks in the juices. After searing, flip your steak and reduce the heat to medium-low. Now, for extra flavor, add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan, along with a few smashed garlic cloves and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter for 3 to 5 minutes. This infuses the steak with aromatic flavors and helps it cook through evenly. The final, crucial step is resting. Remove your steak from the pan and place it on a cutting board. It's essential to let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked steak against the grain and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.